similar to this. In this it has been given that in a triangle ABC, right angled at B. So the diagram has not been given, hence I'll draw the diagram. So we have to take a right angled triangle. A right angled triangle which is right angled at B. So I'll name it ABC. Now AB is given to as 24 centimeter. BC is given to as 7 centimeter. We have not been given AC, so for a time being I'll put AC as equal to X centimeter. So let AC be equal to X centimeter. Before I move ahead for finding sine of A, cos of A, sine of C, cos of C, I need to find X, because that would determine the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So as in the earlier question, we'll use the Pythagoras theorem, which says the hypotenuse square would be equal to base square plus the perpendicular square. Therefore x square would be equal to 24 square plus 7 square. X square would come out to be 625. X is equal to 25. Therefore the length of the hypotenuse would be 25. Hence, if I draw this diagram once again, the triangle ABC, which is right angle at B, the hypotenuse would be of length 25 centimeters. AB is of length 24 centimeter and BC is of length 7 centimeters. Now I'll move to the first part. In the first part, we have to first find sine of A. Sine of A. Now for angle A, BC would behave as the perpendicular, AB would behave as the base, and hypotenuse would be of length 25. Now sine is the ratio between the perpendicular and the hypotenuse. The perpendicular being of length 7 and the hypotenuse being of length 25. Therefore sine of A would be 7 by 25. Similarly, cos of A. Now cos is the ratio between base and height. For angle A, the base is AB, which is of length 24 and the hypotenuse is 25. Hence cos of A would be equal to 24 upon 25. Moving to the second case. Now in this we have to find sine of C and cos of C. We have to take angle C. So I'll draw the diagram, this triangle once again. So we had triangle ABC. This was given as 24 centimeter. This was 7 centimeter, and AC, which was the hypotenuse, we calculated it to be 25 centimeter. It is right angle at B. Now we have to find for angle C. For angle C, the hypotenuse would be AC, which is of length 25 centimeter. The side in front of it, which is AB, would behave as the perpendicular. So AB is the perpendicular of length 24 centimeter, and the side adjacent to it would act as the base. BC would be equal to 7 centimeter. I'm not writing the units because finally we have to find the ratio and the units would get cancelled. Now I need to find for angle C, I needed to find sine of C and cos of C. Now sine of C, sine is the ratio between the perpendicular and the hypotenuse. The perpendicular for angle C is AB, which is of length 24, and the hypotenuse is of length 25. Similarly, cos of C is equal to base upon hypotenuse. The base for angle C is BC, which is of length 7, and the hypotenuse is of length 25. So we can see that once we have identified the angle and the length of three sides of a right angle triangle, we can find the ratios which we desire.